Hi guys, today I will explain how to remove background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the Adobe application, and once it will be open, import that video in which you want to remove the background noise. Now, let's remove the background noise of video. First, I will play the video so you can hear the background noise clearly.
Hi guys, today I will explain how to cancel 11 Lab subscription.
So you can hear the background noise of people's as well as of environment. Now, how can you remove it? The simple thing is tap on the option effect, which is on the left top. And here, search for denoise. Here, you can see the effect. If you're using the old version of Adobe Premiere Pro, then you can search for noise reduction. Now, once you find it, tap on it and paste it on the video. Now, the effect has been applied. Let me play again.
Hi guys, today I will explain how to cancel.
You can see the background noise has been removed, but if you think the background noise is still in video, then tap on the option Effect Control. Scroll down until you see the option of the denoise. Click on the option Edit and adjust this effect by yourself. Like now, it's on 40. If I take it to the right side, then the background noise will be removed a bit more, but also this will affect on your videos. Now let me play the video again so you can hear.
Hi guys, today I will explain how to cancel.
You can see my all video background noise has been removed. And also my voice is like my face is covered in a bottle. So use this yourself. And it was the way by which you can remove background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro.